Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the dollar bead box for the month of July. It's late because I ended up receiving it late. I just got it a couple days ago. I got it the last day of July. So I just wanted to share this with you. This subscription box, it starts at $18.50 a month. If you sign for 6 months at a time. And if you don't, then it's $19.50 if you just want to go month to month. And then also there is, for an extra $8, you get 8 strands of fire polish beads in there. You get 4 3mm and 4 4mm. So I will show you all this in the box. So let's start with the unboxing. I will leave all the links below to the channel and everything. So here, these are the 8 strands, and this box doesn't necessarily go together. It's not like a theme. It's just random stuff that they send you. Sometimes it matches, sometimes it doesn't, but it is such a beautiful box, and it's a great, I feel it's a great deal for everything you get. So you get all of these little goodies in here. All this. So let me open this up and we'll get started. Okay, so we'll start with the 3mm strands. This is Crystal Apple Green Lumi. This is so pretty. These are very well made beads too. I've never been disappointed with these. So you can see they have that little sparkle going on in there. They're so pretty. We've got that one. Crystal Carnation Pink. Here's another 3mm. Crystal Carnation Lumi. So you can see all the sparkles and they're so pretty. Very well. And this one is 3mm. This is Garnet. So pretty. This would be pretty for the holidays. You can even like mix this with a little bit of black, some black beads, and really dress this up. You can make a nice bracelet out of this or some dangle earrings or something. And number 4 is Metallic Rhubarb. I have gotten this before. This is so pretty. There's like hints of, like, almost hints of this green. If you put it up next to it and when you turn it, you can kind of see there's a little bit of this color, the apple green in there. There's purple in there. There's just so pretty. And next is, I think this is the Azure Blue. Again, absolutely gorgeous. 8 strands for $8. You can't beat this. If you were to go into somewhere like Michael's and buy this strand, this would be at least $4. So, and you wouldn't get as good of quality. So very pretty. The next is Matte Sapphire Maria. Look how pretty that is. Look at that sparkle. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. You just go like this. Imagine that. You just put that on your wrist. And it's so pretty. Next is dark pink. Sparkle on this too. These are nice long strands too. And the last one is Crystal Apple Green Lumi. So we got this in a 3mm and in a 4mm. So this is really pretty. You can put these two together. You'd like, this would be like kind of cool to mix these 3 together maybe and do something with that. So we have those. Let me get started with the other strands. Okay, so now we're going to start with the strands. Now this is, I think this is what this is, the 4mm Czech Glass Drug and Crystal Burnt Maria, 50 pieces. They don't really come labeled, and some of these, you know, I'm not really sure of the colors, but this is the colors and the names and stuff, but this is so pretty. We got that. Next is 4mm Czech Glass Pearl and Lavender Rainbow Luster, 40 pieces. This is so pretty. This is gorgeous. So well made. You can see the holes there. Everything is about these beads are very high quality. Next is 6mm Czech Clasp Pearl Lavender Rainbow Luster. So it's the same one, but just in a 6mm, which is nice. You can do a little, combine them and make something or add them to a bracelet. Number 4 is 6mm Czech Glass Squishy Saucer in Amethyst, 42 pieces. Very pretty. I love these saucer beads. They're cool. This is called Squishy Saucer. So very pretty. Now this I'm not so sure about. It says Czech Glass Transparent Sky Blue. Now I'm not seeing any sky blue here. I don't know if they sent me the wrong one. But the other two, I know it's not. So it's beautiful anyway. I don't really see any blue in here. So, but it's gorgeous though. And the next one is an 8mm Czech Glass Cherry Flower in Antique Gold. So if you can see, these are, these make really pretty spacer beads. If if you're looking to add something to a bracelet that's, a little different, put a different texture on the bracelet. If you've got smooth beads, and you put this on, because it's got the flower shape and you can see the edges, that works really well. This next one is the 6mm Czech Glass Lucerna Bicone in Cadet Blue, 25 pieces. So pretty. Absolutely beautiful. So we have all of these so far, and these, and now we're going to get with the packages. Okay, now, so getting to the packages, this is a 15 by 16mm Czech Glass asymmetrical hexagon. It's either light jade opal with gold stripes or amethyst opal with silver stripes, 2 pieces. So I got the amethyst opal with silver stripes. The hole is up here at the top. These are so pretty. These would look really cool with a pair of earrings. Because you get 2. There's a lot of, you can do a lot of earrings with these beads when it comes to these little packages. They're so cute. And next is the 17 by 16mm Czech Glass 2-hole crescent in copper vitriol, 6 pieces. So if you look, got the different colors. Really cool. Nice and sparkly. You could do a lot with these. I like to do lariat necklaces with 2 and 3 hole beads, because that way it makes it a little thicker as it goes around. So these would be really pretty on a lariat. These are beautiful. These are the 14mm Czech Glass button bead in Siam AB 2X, 2 pieces. So here is the hole right there. These are so pretty. I love, it's like the dark fuchsia pink in the cracks of it. It's just, I love texture on beads. So pretty. And next is 14mm Czech Glass Cabochon in Celadon white, 3 pieces. These are lightweight. They're still, very well made. There's no tears in the corners or anything like that. I don't bead weave, but I have some really cool ideas that I'm thinking of for some of these cabochons, especially the ones I'll be getting to after this. And even these, I'm thinking about doing. They kind of give me an idea. I'm thinking about getting, making kind of like my own pendant out of these. When I get the idea, where I want it to go, I will tell you guys more about it. But I do have some really cool ideas for these. So this is the other side for this. And these are the 6mm Czech Glass Squishy Saucer beads in Aqua AB, 10 pieces. They actually have a bit of, they do have the AB, and the AB is kind of like, almost like a little bit of a pinkish hue on them. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but They're really pretty. I love the, like I said, the texture. I love the texture in the beads. They give a lot of sparkle. And this is absolutely beautiful. This is a 12 by 16 millimeter Czech glass Cabochon blue with confetti, one piece. I don't know if the camera is picking up the light. This is absolutely beautiful. Now there's no hole in it, but I have some really cool ideas for these. And then I'm gonna open this one up too so you can see the next one. Are the 8 by 10 Czech glass Cabochons, black with confetti, 8 pieces. So they kind of match a little bit. If you can see. Now there's no holes in these either. So these are all, these are absolutely beautiful. If anybody bead weaves, these would be so pretty. But I have a different idea for these. And next is the 10 millimeter Czech Fire Polish Jet Vintage Silver, 6 pieces. These are so pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. These are so versatile. They can be used on anything. You can just, you know, make like a tiny choker and just like put this as the focal piece on it. Or you can use more of them and make towards a chunky bracelet, but lots of different things you can use these for. And then I have these adorable 11 by 17 millimeter Czech glass cats, white with gold wash, 3 pieces. So here's the front, and then here's the back. So cute. So cute. I love the little faces on them, if you can see them. They're so cute. Just make a cute pair of earrings for anybody who's got a cat lover they like. And these are 6 millimeter Czech glass Lucerna bicones and matte smoke, 20 pieces. These are so pretty. They have like a purplish blue like line going through them. I'm not sure how much the camera is picking up. Sometimes if you kind of move your hand around, you can see them. Oh, oop, oop. Very pretty. And last but not least, 20 by 22 millimeter Tierracast temple clasp, antique silver plate or antique copper plate. So I got the antique silver, one set. Very pretty. And what's nice is you could actually, you could see the 3 holes there. You could actually use this as a focal point in the front and have the necklace coming around, and then attach it right there in the front, and then put some dangles, you know, have something like, turn it into like a chandelier piece. So this is a beautiful box. Sorry I'm late with the unboxing, but I just got it. I'm not sure why, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I have so much more to come. I know I've been a little MIA for a while, had a lot going on, and I'm taking another trip to Chicago. I leave tomorrow. So I'm gonna go see my family up there. My sister and I go every year for our little Italian fest that we go to and hang out and eat and see all our friends and family that we grew up with. So it's so much fun. I'll come back 5 pounds heavier. So, I have lots more to come, though. I'm getting, like I had said in my last video, I have a new box coming, or 2 boxes of 2 different monthly subscriptions. I've got some really different necklaces I want to start working on, and pieces that are a little more kind of not geometrical, but I don't know what you call it, just different than the jewelry I've been making. And so I'm excited to get those. They'll come while I'm out, and I will get started on those within a couple weeks. And I'm looking forward to it. I hope you're enjoying this channel. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And you can let me know in the comments what you think of this bead box and if you get it and what you've been working on. And you can also follow me. My links below are to Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Etsy store where I do sell my jewelry that I make. So thanks again, and I will see you soon on my next video. You have a great day.